All right, so this is a BaBylissPro razor. I'm going to show you how to take the head off. It's really simple. It's only 2 little screws. You need a Phillips head. You just got to get in here and basically lefty-loosey it, you know what I mean? But you got to get the right Phillips head. You follow me? So this is how it comes off. And you want to get it up a little bit like this so that it doesn't fall out of the head once you get them loose enough. You see that? Now I can just pull it off. Got to go a little bit more. A little bit more. You can see it just coming up. And these screws are kind of long. And this is magnetic, so that's what's nice about it. So if you look, see how the screws are? And there's little screw holes right there that they go in. So to change the head, you just undo those 2. You know, if these blades get screwed up. And if you look at the bottom of this, you're going to see it's got this little port here where this thingamabob here, you see it's just all it is a little post that goes into it. And what it does, it goes around in a circle, watch. You see that? And that's what makes this move back and forth. You follow me? And this one's a little stiff, you know, that's not working too good. So anyway, that's the mechanism. It goes in here and it pushes this back and forth just like that. That's all. That's how it works. No big deal. All right, so set that one down. All right, so we've got our brand new head, and you'll notice it only connects with these 2 little screws, right? So what we've got to do, let me flip it over for a second here. If you look, you see this little port right there? Well, that is where this post, you see that post right there? It's going to go right in there. So what you have to do is make sure your screws don't fall out. And you're going to smush this into that port. You follow me? Just like that. And then I'm going to come over here, I'm going to grab it like this. I'm going to get my screwdriver on it and just put it right in there. Just like that. And bam, we just fixed it. Here we go, look. Yeah. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.